So for 2x squared plus 11x plus 15, we have to look for two numbers. And remember, we're going to look at the first coefficient and the constant. And the product of those two numbers is 30. So the product of the numbers we're looking for has to be 30. And if we look at the coefficient on the x term here, we need to find two numbers that have a sum of 11. So going back, product is 30. If we're going to try the first number as 1, second number is 30, sum is 31. 2 and 15, 2 times 15 is equal to 30, the sum is 17. 3 times 10 is 30, the sum is 13. Remember, we're looking for two numbers that have a product of 30 and a sum of 11. And 4 is not a factor of 30, but 5 times 6 is equal to 30, and the sum there is 11. So our two numbers that we were looking for are positive 5 and positive 6. So we're going to decompose, we're going to break apart this 11x into 6 plus 5 times x, because 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So we haven't changed it. All we've done is we're now going to break apart that middle term into 2x squared, and then we have 6x plus 5x, which is 11x, plus 15. Now we're going to put brackets around the first two terms and the last two terms. And for the first bracket, the common factor, the greatest common factor is 2x. So we factor out the 2x, and 2x times x plus 3 is equal to 2x squared plus 3x. And the greatest common factor for the second bracket is 5, and we factor out the 5, we end up with x plus 3. And now we're going to factor by grouping, because we have x plus 3, and x plus 3 is a common factor in both of these terms. And so we're going to factor out the x plus 3 and the 2x and the plus 5. And so what we end up with then is 2x plus 5 times x plus 3.